New build today. I'm back home in Spain, back here from my trip to Australia, and today we're going to build something for the dogs. We're going to turn their water bowl from this average thing into a nice stone water bowl that's going to have rock work to support it, and it's going to go right here. First thing we want to do is get some rocks, and then we'll get started. Are you videoing it as well? Oh, Martina, you going to help me? You're going to help me get the rocks? Hey? Come on. Wait there. Right, come on. In his own time. All right, we've got our rocks. The next step is to mix up some of the cement. I've got white cement because I figure the bowl's white, so the rock work that surrounds it should look better, I don't know, with white mortar. I'm not really that much of a stoneworker, but I've played with a lot of Legos in my time, so I reckon we should be able to make something that looks all right. You gonna stay in the way the whole day, Martina, or what? Or are you gonna help? Wanna go get some water? Come on, go get some water. Perfect. So, what's the plan, Jack? I hear you say. Well, actually, it's Jackington. And there's not really a plan, there's more of a starting point. So, the idea is that there is a stonework little wall that goes around in a half circle that can slide into. Now, I'm tossing up between bricking it in and just having it fixed in place, or being able to take this out. I think better to take it out so that we can clean it and things like that. But that means there's going to be gaps between the bowl and the stones where water's obviously going to go through. So at the bottom, I'll use a few flat stones at the bottom to create a base, and I won't mud the joins of that in so that any water that goes down between the wall and the bowl can just kind of work its way out the bottom. Is the kind of idea. Let's see how it goes. Right, well we got there. Bit of a change of plan in the end. I decided not to make it removable, just because the structural integrity of it is a lot more having a bit of mortar in all the way, supporting that in, so kind of the whole thing is one unit rather than those thin little walls. Kind of would have worked, but I think it's just better that way. Plus, why do we ever need to take it out? So it went well. Looks pretty good. See, I did have a little drainage point out the back here. So down the bottom there was no mud under there, so if I did make it so that it was removable, the water could drain out. That's very good. Now we just got to let it dry, fill it up and give the dogs a test of it. Right, we want some good water. Right, Tina? Let's give them the good stuff. There you go. Off you go. Well, they're not impressed. I spoke too soon. Looks like they like it, and they like the nice filtered water. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and help out the channel and all that, and see you on the next one.